Puppets of car. Oh, I'm thinking dog. Billy Da. Hey! Okay, so there's this new series called Brilliant Da. Brilliant D. Right. Okay, so I'm Destiny, the crazy one. I like to move it. Okay, so here's a fun activity to play. If you have a swing set, yeah, I was just on that. So anyway, do you have a swing set? Yeah, you do. You do. Okay, just pretend you do. If you don't, it's fine. Okay, so I'm standing on apple right now. Okay, I'll show you. Whoop whoop, ding 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 dong. 1 foot. Pretty impressive, right? Yeah. Okay. Well, now I'm going to get up my black pole. It's very jumpy, and it moves this. So if you want to go that way, or that way, and if you just want to wiggle, it goes that way. Okay. Now, going to try not to touch the ground. Really hard, especially with this swing set. You have to get from here to there, to there, and back again. Oh, so, okay. Anyway, so I'm going to stand on the other one. And I have flip-flops on. So it may not be the best. I'm doing a video. I'm going to wrap my leg around the pool and hope that I don't fall. If I do, cry for dear boy. Because it's so scary. Okay. You should know me by now. The 4 minutes and 4 seconds. You should know me by now. I like pickles. Okay, so now the next challenge is trying to get onto this. So I'm going to grab into the red bar. And going to grab onto it. I'm going to